everyone, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make aloo samosa. This is a simple recipe that is good for tea time, snack, and or starters at a party. For this recipe, you would need 2 to 2.5 pounds of boiled coarsely mashed potatoes, samosa pads to make about 60 samosas, 1 cup finely chopped onion, 1 cup finely chopped cilantro, 1 egg, 2 finely chopped green chilies, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of crushed pepper, 1 teaspoon pomegranate seeds powder, 2 teaspoons ground coriander powder, and 1.5 teaspoons cumin seeds. In the bowl of mashed potatoes, add the onions, cilantro, green chilies, salt, crushed pepper, pomegranate seeds powder, ground coriander powder, and cumin seeds. Mix well using your hands. After the potato is mixed with the spices, you can test a little bit, and if you want, you can add more spices and salt. By adding more spices, you will make the samosas more spicy. Now beat the egg. The egg will be used to seal the samosa pad. Separate the layers of the samosa pads carefully, otherwise they will rip. If a samosa pad does rip, do not use it. While you are making the samosas, you can cover them with a wet towel so that they will not dry out. This is so that the samosas do not dry out. To make one samosa, we'll be using 2 samosa pads. On the samosa pads, add eggs on both edges. Then using another samosa pad, layer the samosas pad. And now watch how we will fold the samosas. After folding, add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of the filling. Then fold again, fold tightly. Then at the end, apply the egg. The samosas are now ready. To fry the samosas in a pan, add lots of oil and fry them on medium to high heat until both sides are golden brown. If you don't need to fry the samosas right away, you can freeze them in the freezer for 4 to 6 weeks. Make sure the oil is hot before placing the samosas. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye now.